Good day. I'm Stephen Bailey, Editor-in-Chief, Catheterization and Cardiovascular Interventions, and I'm excited to share with you today the top 10 downloaded manuscripts of 2023. They begin with the MLD Max OCT algorithm, an imaging-based workflow for percutaneous coronary interventions by Ali et al. The second most downloaded manuscript was Cutting Balloon to Optimize Predilatation for Stent Implantation, the COPS randomized trial, from Mangieri and colleagues. Our third most downloaded was a very rare vascular complication of the Edwards expandable E-sheath during transcatheter aortic valve replacement, from Doshi and colleagues. Understanding how to utilize ancillary techniques is incredibly important. And in fourth place for downloading was coil embolization, use for coronary procedures, basics, indications, and techniques by Egred and colleagues. The fifth most downloaded was outcomes with plug-based versus suture-based vascular closure device after transfemoral transcatheter aortic valve replacement, a systematic review and meta-analysis from El-Badwawi. This was followed by percutaneous coronary intervention with drug-coated balloon-only strategy combined with a single antiplatelet treatment in patients at high bleeding risk, a single center experience from Rissanen et al. Next was left atrial appendage closure and end-stage renal disease and hemodialysis, data from a German multi-center registry from Fink and colleagues. An interesting manuscript was the eighth most downloaded, and that was What Do We Mean by Complex Percutaneous Coronary Intervention? An assessment of agreement among interventional cardiologists for defining complexity by Bond and Associates. The ninth most downloaded manuscript was The Impact of Chronic Total Occlusions in Patients Undergoing Transcatheter Aortic Valve Replacement, a systematic review and meta-analysis from Will et al. And finally, reflecting the interest in drug-coated balloon and novel approaches is the manuscript Drug-Coated Balloon Strategy Following Orbital Atherectomy for Calcified Coronary Artery Compared with Drug-Eluting Stent, 1-Year Outcomes and Optical Coherence Tomography Assessment by Lee and colleagues. These manuscripts clearly reflect current topics of interest and applications for clinical practice. We look forward to sharing insights from each of these authors in focused interviews that will be upcoming. Thank you very much. Appreciate your support of catheterization and cardiovascular interventions.